Hi everybody and welcome to the video. Today we're talking about the AUTOOL injector flusher and cleaner. This is a pretty interesting tool. It costs $12.99 on Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and get into it by just talking about what comes in the kit. And for $12 you don't get a heck of a lot. You get these two adapters with different sized holes for different types of injectors, and they're made to go on top of a can, an aerosol can of some sort of cleaner. I'm using Brake Clean because it's what I have, and when you buy a cleaner you have to make sure to get a cleaner with a male end here, because these tips, they're female and you have to have a male end to make them work. So you get these and you just size your injector up to the one you need. I need the larger one. You pop them in like that, but they feel pretty good. But when you use them like this, you need to put your finger somewhere. I put them on the connector here. You also want to wear eye protection for this as well, because if a restriction forms in the line, it's going to blow whatever solvent you're using everywhere. So I definitely recommend good face protection of some kind, whatever you got, but be careful with it. All right, so we're going to start with this injector. We're simply going to put it in. Then I'm just going to pick the right size. I already know that the bigger size is the one I need. I'm going to pop it in there. It feels pretty good when it pops in. You know, it actually seals here pretty good. Doesn't seal to the can as well. And hopefully that'll pick up on camera, but it just sprays some brake clean out. I don't know if it was meant for a different brand or type of solvent. I didn't see any information on that online, and I just used what I had, to be honest. And then you simply hook these to your battery terminals. Obviously red is positive, black is the negative. And you can hear the injector click. So then you just pop it on like that. And you kind of have to hold it pretty good. And you just want to let it go. And you'll see that it just opens the injector and sprays through. And I'll let a good bit go through there. This injector flows pretty good. Nice spray. But as you can see, the injector does flow now. Some of these injectors work perfectly fine and some of them were clogged. You can't smell any old gas anymore. The nozzles are pretty clean and it seems to do a good job. I've encountered a couple of these injectors so far that were actually clogged. It did manage to clean them out, although it did take quite a bit of spraying and letting off and spraying again, and it took a little bit of work and fiddling to get it to work, but it did work. And for $13, I just think it's a handy tool to have laying in your toolbox if you fool with a lot of fuel injected stuff. There will be a link in the description to these. This is definitely worth the money in my opinion. I feel like it's a good choice. And yeah, thank you everybody for watching. I hope this helped you. Have a great day.